How you can change your personal Instagram account to a business account, as well as switch a creator account to a business account. Let's begin. First of all, you'll need to open your Instagram and go to your profile at the very bottom right. Once you're on your profile, you click on the hamburger menu to open the settings and scroll down until you find account types and tools. You just open this. Here you find an option to switch to professional account. You click on it and keep tapping continue. Here you can choose the type of account you want to have and just also an option to display it on your profile. You click on done. Now it takes us to a page where we can choose to have a business account or a creator account. We want a business account, so I'm going to choose business and click on next. After this, it takes to another page. We can skip this process and just close this tab. Now if I refresh my profile, you can see here my account has been changed to a business account. I can confirm this by going on the menu, and if I scroll down, I can see here is business tools and controls. This means my account has been changed to a business account. Now to switch from a creator account to a business account. I now have a creator account. I can confirm this by going on the settings, and here you can see creator tools and controls. This means my account is now a creator account. To switch to business account, you just tap on the professional dashboard and click on the settings at the top right. You scroll down and find the preferences, and then at the very bottom you can see switch account type, and then you just switch to business account. Click on switch. Now you should be switched to a business account, and we can confirm it by going to the settings. Here you can see business tools and controls. So now we can confirm that our account has been changed to a business account. Thank you for watching.